Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing a data grid view control on the form and naming it so you can reference it in code. Once done, create a data table or a binding source with the columns you need. This gives structure and makes binding simple. Make sure to set dock and auto size columns mode for immediate visual clarity. Then assign the binding source or data table as the data source property so rows appear automatically and you can proceed to populating data. You will now populate and configure the grid. Add rows programmatically using data table. Rows. Add or let the binding source create new rows. Both are straightforward. Then customize each data grid view column. Set read-only, header text, value type, width, and cell format to control display. If you want user edits, wire events like cell formatting to control visuals and cell validating to enforce rules. Make sure to call endEdit on the binding source when committing changes, so the underlying data stays in sync. You finish by committing edits and persisting data. Call binding source. endEdit and use your table adapter. Update or custom save logic to write back to a database. Once saved, enable user conveniences like column sorting or filtering via data view or link to give a responsive feel. If things go wrong, first check that data source is not null and auto-generate columns isn't conflicting with manual columns. Mismatched column names are the usual culprit, so verify schema and call refresh or rebind after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.